what helps you wind down and relax? How do you like to self-care? For me, and something that's very important, is scalp massages. That just helps improve the quality of your life. But more importantly, we're talking about the quality of your hair here. This is Mains by Mell, and we're getting into scalp massages. Why they're important. Before I get into scalp massages, I'm going to prepare my blend of oils. So, I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So, things that you will need are something to put your oil in. This is just a little ceramic bowl. You can put the oil in a bottle if you wanted to make a lot to use periodically, but I like to just make it fresh when I'm using it. What we're going to be using is essential oils. Essential oils are so strong and powerful that you don't use them on their own. You have to put a base oil. So what I'm using for my base oil is sweet almond oil. So this is a 100% pure carrier oil. This was an Amazon purchase. Gotta love Amazon. You can also use olive oil as an alternative, but it just has a stronger smell. Or even water. You just want to dilute your essential oils. Another Amazon purchase was my essential oils. So this is the Rada Beauty Top 6 100% pure therapeutic grade. So these are just like pure therapeutic oils. So it comes with 6 of them. The ones I will be using today are, I chose lavender, peppermint, and lemongrass. Each of those oils help to balance out the oil production in your scalp. They're moisturizing, they promote stimulation, circulation, and hair growth. So everything that you would want. Plus they smell so delicious. You may also want to have a small towel on hand just in case things get a little messy. But this is very simple, people. I take my base oil and 1 tablespoon and put that into my bowl. All I need of my essential oils is 1 to 2 drops. Or a few. This is the lavender, so I'm okay with a little extra lavender. It smells nice. And a little bit of peppermint. Beautiful. Swish it around a little bit. Now that my oil is prepped and ready, I'm going to go place that in the sun to heat up. You can also just heat it up by water or by your hand. Thank you. Now, how to actually scalp massage. Oh, my oil is now heated up. It's nice and toasty. And I'm going to show you guys how I do this. Don't mind my hair. This was from a braid out. Especially when I had my braids in, there was a lot of tension on my scalp, and it really needs this. So, I take the oil, I'm going to dip my hands in it, a little bit on my fingers. I'm working in to my hands, and I like to start at the front. And if you're wondering, well, Mel, why is this important? Well, here are some reasons why. Why would you want to scalp massage? Besides the obvious reason of it feeling amazing, scalp massages help enhance blood circulation in the head and neck, strengthen the roots of your hair. It also helps to spread the natural oils and sebum that you already have, which is a good thing. This creates hair luster and shine. It'll lubricate and condition your scalp, which will help to prevent any flaky and dry scalps. And it also protects your hair from the damaging effects of the sun by building resilience over time. If you scalp massage, your hair will become stronger. It just encourages a wave of health. And healthy hair starts with the scalp, so it's something you definitely want to focus on. And if you're using the right stuff, you're going to have amazing results. When would you want to do this? Well, if you have very oily hair and you're worried about building up extra oil on top of your scalp, well then do it before you wash or the night before you shampoo. For someone with dry hair, and if you have really big hair, well, you're not really going to see the oil in your roots, and it will help to moisturize your scalp throughout the week. It's something you could even do every day before bed. Giving yourself a really nice scalp massage will give you a magical sleep. You basically just want to repeat this motion all throughout your head, focusing on every corner of your scalp. I would massage for at least a minute. You can massage for however long you want. And if you feel like this is weird doing to yourself, well, if you have a partner or a close loved one, just force them to do it for you. Or you can always take a trip to the salon and get a nice shampoo. Depending on how gentle you are, you're either left with great volume or crazy hair. My hair was already crazy to begin with, so I'm just gonna put it back where it was. If you feel like you have a bad hair day after, just make use of a hair tie. Give yourself a fancy pineapple and call it a day. Honestly, the bad hair day is worth the benefits of doing the scalp massage. By doing something as easy as this a few times a week will promote healthy hair and scalp and hair growth. You can't go wrong, and it also feels amazing. So I want you guys to practice this yourselves, share with a friend who needs this, and give this video a thumbs up. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. You can check out my description for more sources on which oils are best for you and how to do a scalp massage. And I'm gonna go take a nap now because I am thoroughly relaxed, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Mains by Mel, out. Stop! I'm meditating! Do you like the scalp massage? Are you into feeling good? Okay, I'm getting lightheaded. Let me sit up. Oh!